Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafi and our group will present about hydroelectric power plants. And now I will present to you the first content, which is about introduction. So for the introduction, we must know where electricity come from and what is power plant. A power plant is an industrial facility that generates electricity from primary energy. Most of power plants use one or more generators that convert mechanical energy into, into electrical energy in order to supply power to the electrical grid. Different countries get their electricity from different types of power plant. For example, in Canada, most of electricity generation comes from hydroelectric power plants, which accounts for about 60% of the total electricity generated in Canada. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Daniel Hafiz, to explain to us the basic operation of hydroelectric.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Hafiz. I will talk about basic operation and principle of hydroelectric power generation. Most conventional hydroelectric plants include four major components. First is dam. Raises the water level of the river to create falling water. Also control the flow of water. The reservoir that is formed is in effect of store energy. Second is turbine. The force of falling water pushing against the turbine blades causes the turbine to spin. A water turbine is much like a windmill except the energy is provided by falling water instead of wind. The turbine converts the kinetic energy of falling water into mechanical energy. Third is generator. Connected to the turbine by shaft and possibly gear. So when the turbine spin, it causes the generator to spin also. It converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electric energy. Generator in hydropower plant work just like the generator in other type of power plant. Last is transmission line. It conduct electricity from the hydropower plant to home and business. That's it from me. I will pass to the next presenter, which is Haziq Hashim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Hashim and today I'm going to talk about the basic construction of a hydroelectric power plant. First of all, typically the requirement of constructing of a hydroelectric power plant is a large area needs to be cleaned up in order to provide space for the reservoir. So this means massive forested area is needed to be cleared. Then, concrete dams are constructed on rock or earth's foundations, which means the quality of rock must be good in order for the dam to be attached to, as to provide stability to the dam. Stability is vital so that no failures will occur and disasters like flooding will not happen due to the dam breaking. Alright, finally, one of the materials used in the dam construction is concrete. Concrete is used to be poured onto the foundation in order to give structure and strength. Then, steel is then added into the concrete to provide dimensional strength to twisting and pulling forces from the water. Alright, thank you. I'm going to pass on to my colleague Amar.
Hi, my name is Amar and for our last session, I will show you the actual site of hydroelectric power plant in Malaysia. There are 3 hydropower plant schemes in Peninsula, Malaysia with 21 dams operated by Tenaga Nasional Berhad that generating the capacity around 1,911 megawatts. They are at Sungai Perak, Sungai Terengganu and Cameron Highland. One from Perak is the Temenggong Dam and the others from Terengganu is Kenyal Lake, and lastly from Cameron Highland is Ulu Jalai Dam. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.